Hi there, we're here by the pond where I want to take a picture of some pretty flowers in there. And I don't know if I can get in there without getting my feet wet. I have my boots on today. And Zoe, she's there. And I don't know, I think I'll just take a picture from here and try to close up. Oh, here we go. Let's hope we can do this. From WindBag Productions. The reason it's called WindBag. Oh, no, that's pretty sopping, eh? Yeah, this is the tree with the formas of the water sprites. And look at that. Wait, it'd be nice to have a drone camera to go into the places you can't get into. Right, Zoe? Oh, don't drink the water there, Zoe. I want to hear the bullfrogs here. They're huge right over there. You can hear them. I want to take a recording of it. So I'm going, yeah, there they are.